हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज आपके साथ मैं एक आर्टिकल शेयर करने जा रहा हूं जो मैंने कभी एक बुक में रीड किया था। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई एम श्योर दैट व्हेन यू लिसन दिस complete video you will remember this and maybe you will say thank you to me. Let me share one article with you, and here is that. सो दोस्तों, एक दिन मैं एक बुक रीड कर रहा था एंड उस बुक में मुझे एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी दिखी. आई read that article, so I am putting this as a title called Are You a Hedgehog or a Fox? These two are animals in jungle and they have a various or different strategy. मान लो मैं कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड को एक जंगल बोलूं या एजुकेशन को मैं एक जंगल बोलूं जहां पे यू एंड मी आर अ काइंड ऑफ एन एनिमल, then how will we deal with that? Being a hedgehog or a fox? Let's see. So when I was reading a book called Good to Great by Jim Collins, I found this and very interesting. So I would like to share few characteristics of both the animals which I searched and then I found, and then I realized, oh, this is very interesting. So foxes are basically known as a clever, sly animal, but they have too many different strategies to get what they want. So अगर आपको पता है कि हम लोग ऐसे छोटे थे तो एक स्टोरी सुनते थे, फॉक्स एंड ग्रैप्स की. सो फॉक्स या क्रेन की, जहां पे फॉक्स इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंटेड एज अ स्मार्ट, बट देन यहाँ पे थोड़ा अलग डिस्कस किया है. सो हियर they don't have down with the one that works well. Instead of that, they pursue the range of the goals in one go. So you may likely to be scattered and inconsistent in their work just like a fox. मतलब कहीं स्टोरी ऐसा बनता है कि वो फॉक्स हेजहॉग को पकड़ना चाहता है. हेजहॉग एक छोटा सा एनिमल है, उसके लिए ये 3-4 स्ट्रेटेजी बनाता है, बट किसी एक पे फोकस नहीं कर रहा है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स स्कैटर्ड एंड इनकंसिस्टेंट. समथिंग ऐसा रिलेट हो रहा है. सो मोस्ट पीपल इनिशियली फेवर द फॉक्स. कनिंग है, स्किलफुल है, but then this could have a negative effect on what you are trying to achieve on the long run. On the other side, let's see what the hedgehog strategy is and वो hedgehog क्या करता है. So hedgehog is on the other hand very only one goal in the mind and they strive to do it well. Hedgehog are unassuming, steady and slow, allowing them time to focus their efforts on their goal and achieve it. Simple, no complicated, no multiple strategies. So Collins argues that, in that book, Collins argues that hedgehog are the winners in the business that allows the focus on what they are good at and do it well. Now, it's not only business. Being a student, आपके लिए education, being an employee, आपका role. So hedgehog concept is not a strategy or a goal to be the best. मुझे इंडस्ट्री में बेस्ट नहीं बनना है. My focus is not to be the best, but it is understand what you can be the best at. So that is the context basically. So I mean, जब भी मैं मेरे में क्या बेस्ट है वो मैं उसके ऊपर फोकस करूं और वही एक चीज को करूं. सो मैं उसको ऐसे कुछ रिलेट कर रहा हूं कि मेनी ऑफ द टाइम्स मैं अपना पास्ट देखता हूं. सो लेट्स से कि अभी नेक्स्ट 1 ईयर में आई वांट टू अचीव. So many of the times I have written, I want to work on health. I want to work on my increasing the number of students at my institute, or I want to work with my one skill which I want to improve, and many more. But on the other side, being an hedgehog, I can focus now only one thing in the next so and so time. Let's say 12 months, let's say 18 months, and now I'll focus on that. Of course, I'm doing my job. Of course, I'm doing my work. I enjoy my vacations. But during that 18 months or 12 months, go with only one goal. So it's almost impossible. I don't want to say that you become a hedgehog or you become a fox. Okay. But definitely think about the strategy called hedgehog. Right? And at last, I would like to definitely put you in inquiry that next time, whatever you are working, let's say you have picked up the one area called health or technologically upgradation or something else area in the life, which aspect will you follow? Hedgehog or fox? That I would like to put you in inquiry and reply me in this video as in a comments as and when you are clear with. Thank you and all the best.